Alright, so we're going to do some unboxing here. I haven't opened any of these yet, so we're both going to be seeing these for the first time together. So first of all, we're going to start with Heel Toe Auto. These are the main bearings that Marcus sent out to me, so big thank you to Marcus for getting these out to me as quick as possible. I greatly appreciate it. So we're going to open this up and see what's inside. Alright, let's see what we got here. Try not to show my address, so bear with me. Alright, so here's everything we need right here. So we got a little, I guess a little brochure, you guys can see it right here. Got a little coupon code to save on my next order. Thank you for that. We have a Heel Toe Automotive sticker. I'm not a big fan of stickers, but I'll probably put this on my engine bay somewhere. And then we got the bearings, which are a little bit open, but no big deal. King Racing. These are very, very strongly suggested by a few mechanics and other car enthusiasts. So if you guys are looking to upgrade your bearings, instead of going with OEM, you can go with Kings. They're very, very good quality. And I have no idea what bearings they would look like. So, oh, there you go. So that's it right there. These are the bearings that go inside of your pistons. Yeah, man. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There you go. So we got 8 bearings. So that is that. Of course, there's a little instruction manual right here as well. All right, now let's do the rod bearings. I think I would need a knife for this one. Or my blade, I should say. Just cut that right there. Oh, wow. All right, so we got a whole booklet of different parts and stuff. So, yeah. Well, that's well, this is good to have. I'm definitely gonna keep this on the shelf so I can look through that in case you need anything else. What is this? Yeah, more parts to order. And then here we are with the bearings. Oh, it's already open right here. Oh man, they don't pack these things very easily to open. Just cut that right there, boom. And here we go, here we go. These are also King's rod bearings. So, yep, these are considerably smaller. And here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we got 12 rod bearings. I'm not gonna lie, I'm pretty excited to see, you know, how well the car performs with these bearings versus the factory ones that's in the car now. So it'll be very interesting to see the difference. All right, now we'll look at the oil pump. D&J, like I said. So, definitely need the bleed for this one. This is all taped up and all that. So D&J is not a high performance brand, but they are a very, very reputable OEM quality brand. Parts Alternative, who you know, is what recommended me to get D&J. He's been selling these for over 30 years. So if he's been doing this for this long, then they gotta be good. And apparently they don't even, Honda doesn't even offer this anymore. They don't even offer OEM oil pumps for the J Series engine anymore. I guess they're discontinued. I don't know how the heck you open this thing. Okay, this is a very weird box. Like, it opens like, okay, I don't know. So I'll just take it out from here. And here is the oil pump. Comes with a gasket as well. Already has the I guess the main seal that goes in here. And there you go. D&J, made in Taiwan. Looks very, very good. Looks very high quality. Feels pretty solid as well. The last thing is going to be the fuel pump. All right, the fuel pump from Rock Auto. Now this is the brand I went with, which is which is Delphi. That is a pretty good brand for fuel pumps. And there it is. You're able to see what a fuel pump looks like. Here it is right here. But yeah, this is definitely a little bit smaller than the first couple that I got. But yeah, it just plugs in right here. There's a hose that goes to this with a bracket strapped onto that, and all the fuel comes through here. The one I got in the car right now, all this is black. It's clogged with just so much gunk and all that's been just going through the fuel system for the past, what, 12, 13 years. And then this is the flapper. This is, this is basically what, what reads the fuel level. So it attaches to this right here. I'm just gonna just mock it up, and then there you go. It reads the fuel level. And then these two gaskets that go on it. This screws on top, and in the trunk of the car. And there you go. So that's all this, repair stuff that I got. And then, like I said before, I do have the RV6 strut tower brace that's gonna go on, but I'm not worried about that right now. I'm worried about the repairs. And then I also have this right here, which is, I'm not exactly sure what this is actually called, but this is basically the license plate holder with the reverse lights, the back of a camera. I got a new one because the one on the car now is from a base model. Now the difference with the base model is this right here. This right here is just like a flat silver versus this being like a chrome. And then the camera, I guess, okay, pretty much what it is that I guess the previous owner got into an accident with it. It was just a minor fender bender, and they had to replace this. They had to replace the bumper and the rear lip. And I guess they couldn't find Type S parts, so they just took whatever they could find. They found a base model one. And the problem is that the way they mounted the camera on, how it is on the car now, the camera doesn't sit straight because they pretty much just drilled a hole or something in here, just put the camera through it and then just slapped it on. So the camera doesn't even sit straight. It angles down towards the ground instead of straight behind me. So yeah, I found this for a pretty good deal. So obviously, definitely need some fixing up and all that. I gotta polish it up real good so it's nice and clean, nice and shiny, and matches the rest of the chrome that's on the car. And then yeah, the wheels, like I said, I'm pretty much gonna go back to the factory Type S wheels. But like I said, I'll save that for another video. Just want to show you guys right now all the stuff that we got, for repairs, and then we go from there. Anyway, it's gonna be a wrap for this video. Thank you guys for checking this out, and I'm sorry it's not really good news, but hope it was something that was good information for you. And as like I said, what's been going on, I haven't really been actively posting like I normally do. So once again, I apologize for that, and I appreciate everybody's understanding. But once I got the car back on the road, I will definitely shoot some more videos with it. I know you guys have been requesting certain videos of it, and I haven't forgotten. I write everything down. I got everything in a notepad for you guys, so I'm not gonna forget anything you guys requested. But I will do another video on restoring the trim on that car, and I'll be putting on the strut tower brace and just showing you guys the differences with that. So for right now, I gotta go drop these parts off to my mechanic so he can get started on taking the engine apart and taking care of those bearings. So if you guys enjoyed today's video, please like, share, comment, subscribe. Greatly appreciate it. Thank you guys for checking out this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Take care, stay safe, be blessed, and always strive to be the best version of yourself. Thanks for watching.